If you look at the digital technologies today, online gaming has emerged as a major sector in digital technologies. Within the online gaming sector, there are three segments. There are two segments which are very good for the society. There is one segment which is harmful for the society. The two segments which are good for the society are eSports and online social gaming. We are promoting these two segments, two out of three segments we are promoting, and this bill will create an authority which basically creates programs and schemes which promote esports and which promotes online social gaming. Online social games are part of our life. Sudoku, chess, many of us have played different games, and esports are emerging as major category in the global competitive sports arena. These two they will get a legal recognition and they will be promoted. The third segment, which is causing harm to the society, is online money gaming. Online money gaming has emerged as a major social and public health problem. Even WHO has basically classified as a new disease called gaming disorder, ICD-11, which causes anxiety, depression, sleep problems, social withdrawal, and stress. It causes compulsive behavior, psychological distress, and causes serious disruptions in the family and social life. We have seen the addiction to online money gaming has led to middle class families losing their entire life savings. There are cases of suicide. There was a recent report in Times of India which says 32 suicides in 31 months due to online gaming. This is the Times of India report. In fact, the Home Minister of Karnataka has called online games are more dangerous than drugs. That is the situation which is basically emerging, and that's why it was very important to bring out a legal structure where the things which are useful for the society are promoted, encouraged, the creator's economy grows, but the things which are harmful for the society are discouraged, and very strong action is taken to prevent the social harm.
Uh, what about the punitive measures under the bill? Those who continue to offer online money games and are in contravention with the rules will face a jail term and a fine or both. And it is true of those who advertise or promote it and those who use, banks or financial institutions who use this ambit for transfer of funds as well. What are those stringent measures that the bill talks about?
It's very important to understand that in this bill, the users are recognized as victims of online money gaming. That's why there is no punitive action on the users. However, the people who are offering online money gaming service and the people who are advertising for these services, as well as the people who are enabling the financial transactions for such services, are subject to liabilities under this act, under this bill. Uh, that's the structure we have created here, and we have given a lot of thought to it because over last few years, a lot of engagement has happened with the industry to see how the harmful effects can be contained. GST was imposed, then, and in fact, there was unanimity of imposing GST on the online money games. Then an attempt was made whether we can call it whether we can create self-regulating mechanisms, but that also didn't succeed because the conflict of interest issues came up. We have been requesting the industry to remove the addictive elements which come into play. There are cases of money laundering, there are issues related to serious instances where even support to terror activities has been noted in online money games. Cross-border fund flow is visible, very clearly visible. So all these things have been taken into account while drafting this bill.
So there have been concerns by industry associations. They are up in arms saying that it's going to wipe away the industry. Different terms being used there. This is a death knell for the industry. It will lead to withdrawal of investments. It will lead to job losses. And many say that this is like a policy flip flop. What is your response to them?
No, there is a consistent measure, consistent request from the government side and also from the entire society. Public representatives have been asking to control and contain the harmful impacts of online money games. The gaming industry, the two segments which I mentioned, two out of three segments, they will be promoted. We will be encouraging them and we'll be creating programs which help the growth of the gaming industry per se. And the people who are employed in the gaming industry will find new opportunities. Money gaming, online money gaming has there is a demonstrated significant negative impact on the society, and when the society is facing the significant harm, and this has to be compared with a segment of the industry, then the society has to be given the paramount place.
So I also wanted to get your voice in on some views that have been aired that such an important bill has been passed without discussion, and whether or not it's the right approach. The bill should have been been with the BSc. There was no time allocated for discussion on the bill. It was brought in on the penultimate day, so on and
The
so forth.
the honorable speaker today said that even if you want hours and hours of discussion on this, we are willing. Unfortunately, the opposition is not willing to discuss. They don't believe in democracy. They don't believe in constitution. For them, if they are disrupting the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, that is their way of functioning. It's unfortunate. It's really unfortunate that the opposition is not willing to discuss such important legislations which are having significant impact on the society.
So, what is the roadmap for this bill now? It goes, of course, now the LS has approved it. It goes in for the Rajya Sabha nod. Beyond that, what kind of timelines? Because you talked about, mental health issues, terror financing, money laundering, the concerns that you have, sort of the reasons behind bringing this bill. How soon would you like for it to be rolled out? What are the timelines that the government is going to work
Let's
on?
see. Let's see. Tomorrow it will go to the Rajya Sabha.
Okay. So one final question I wanted to ask you is, we talk about billions of dollars of investment in gaming industry. What is it that, according to you, in the next 3 to 5 years, how would you like the gaming industry to be vis-a-vis what it is right now? It's a combination of real money games. It is also eSports. It's online social gaming, and this is going to bring a transformative change. According to the government, what is the gaming landscape going to look like 2 years from now, and what kind of investments could we expect?
Our endeavor is to promote the esports and social gaming, online social gaming, and we would like India to become a game making hub. For that, a lot of efforts are already being made. As I said, the whole system of new IICTs, Indian Institutes of Creative Technologies, that is being set up. The first IICT is already started functioning in Mumbai now. The Waves has a major part of it, which is promotion of gaming. That part, which is good part for the society, must be promoted, and we'll make all endeavor to promote it. But the harmful effect has to be
So the
contained.
gaming industry will flourish and not be wiped out as is being
It
made.
will flourish for sure.